everyone, this is an impromptu video. I wasn't planning to make a video today. However, a viewer just asked me a question right now, and he says, Eric, is there a board that came with my Mars 11 PSM 330? How the hell does it go into it? It's a nightmare. Does it go under the inflatable center hole? Please help me, or where I can find a video how to assemble it. So he basically asked that right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show him where the board goes under the air deck floor for the inflatable boat. I'm gonna switch the camera towards the floor and show you guys real quick. Okay, so here's the air deck floor, right? You're gonna take the air deck floor, you're gonna flip it upside down because it's gonna go on the bottom. See, here's the board. So, assuming that, let me make sure the camera is pointing at the right direction. Yes, it is. Okay, assuming that your inflatable floor doesn't have these little slats, these little flaps, this is where it will go. See, this is the front part of the inflatable floor, right behind where the keel inflator knob is. If you don't have these flaps, you want to put the board on the inflatable boat, right behind where the keel hole is. Now, it should have these flaps where you will put the board. The board has little edges. You see, this is like an edge, and this is like a flat edge. See that? This edge goes down. This part, so it goes like this. The flat part goes upward, and the edge side will go towards the floor. And it's supposed to go like this. So yes, it can be a bit of a pain, yeah, but it should work. Now, once you have this set up, you should be able to lay the floor down on the inflatable boat. You want to inflate the bladders like maybe 20-30% so you have enough space to work with. But that's basically it. Again, if you don't have these little flaps that hold it together, make sure that the ends that are edged, let me just put it backwards. The ends that have the edge are facing down towards the floor. This will make sure that the edges fit properly. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video, and hopefully you find it useful. Mr. Nunez, yes. Later, guys.